Oh, if you really want to feel better, though, you need to watch this clip. We have a brand new launch video. You had the wrong article there. We have a new launch video for the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX.
Oh.
Where are you going right now?
I gotta get the article.
No. You'll just find it. It's on motorauthority.com. You'll just find it. Don't worry. And I blame the website. I don't blame you, Will. Just go up there and type 2021 in their search. 2021 Ram 1500 TRX launch. Yeah, you got it. Don't worry, Will. I get it together here. That's an ad. You got to just go past the ads. It's all right. Just go past the ads.
This one?
Yeah, there you go. This is the launch edition of the truck, which we talked about on the previous show. This is a ridiculous 702 horsepower Ford Raptor killer. 100 miles an hour on any surface is the claim that they make. And they're going to do a launch version, which is even more money. It's $92,000, but it's going to have all the options on it. An exclusive paint color. I want to get the name of this paint color because it's a really cool. What would you call that paint color? Well, if you had to name that paint color, what would you call it? If you work for the manufacturer and you're going to put out this limited edition and that was going to be the paint color, what would you call it?
Something cool like Terran Teal or something?
Terran Teal.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't expect that. It's called Anvil Gray.
Oh, okay.
You're not happy about that.
That one's cool. Yeah.
So you're going to get an early build slot if you get this launch edition, and you're also going to get the level 2 equipment group. It will add carbon fiber interior trim, red accent stitching, a heads-up display, beadlock capable wheels, a dual pane panoramic sunroof, body graphics, and a 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. You will also get this plaque in the middle of the middle console there. This will be in there showing your VIN number and the fact that you have one of only 702 of the TRX Launch Edition. Now, I do need to request something from you here, Will. This is all very exciting, but what I want you to do is scroll up to the video and give us a little bit of the video. And I hope Ram just lets us use it because I really want people to experience a little bit of this. So just let's do a small taste over here.
Should we go full screen?
Yeah, do you have some audio for us as well?
All right, hold on.
Yeah, this is going to get you fired right up. I feel like do we have audio there?
We have audio.
We have audio. We need a little bit more. Here we go. Yes. I mean, look at this. They're in the desert over here. The song is Mr. Sandman, and this thing is just going to destroy the sand. Look at that beast right there. Look at that speed on the dirt. You just hit the button over here. The big lights. I mean, if you don't feel mean in that thing, I don't know what's going to do it for you. You know what? You know what's going to happen, Will?
What's that?
The song is going to kill us, not the video.
I know. I had to turn it down.
You turned it down?
Sorry, everyone.
Oh, they're not hearing the song right now?
No.
Oh, they're not even hearing the song right now.
Only at the beginning.
Okay, you can go watch the clip because Will did the smart thing and realized there's no way we're going to be able to play the song. But, I mean, what you have, power other trucks can only dream of. The 702 horsepower TRX, the power has shifted. So this is a shot. They just took a shot at Ford, and they said, we're the new guys now. Now, Ford, they're not going to stop working. They're going to do something with the Raptor. Obviously, we have electric trucks coming out that are going to be really powerful as well. But as far as just sheer power, horsepower, 702 is the new champ. And they're saying the power has shifted. It's us now. It's TRX. We put a bunch of work in. Go beat this thing up on the back roads. Hit the gas. I mean, they showed a speedometer how many times. It's all very visceral.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, you want a truck. You didn't even want a truck.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, you're like, what am I doing driving on roads? I should be out there in wherever that is, Utah or Arizona or wherever that is. That's where I should be. With a TRX. Just with the sun setting.
Yeah.
And the dirt flying. In my launch edition.
Sounds great.
One of 702. because of 702 horsepower.